Buenos dias, chicos. I had to come down this morning, Friday the 17th of November, to walk the beaches. It's an amazing temperature. It's 27 degrees already, and it's only 11 o'clock in the morning. So let's go. The sea's a lot calmer. I think the heat's up because of the Colima, actually. Right, we just walk through this passageway here and we'll be down to the first beach, Playa Maria Jimenez. Guys playing volleyball. Yes, it's quite busy now, but I think it will get busier later on. Absolute glorious day. There's the waterfall and the bridge.
Es my love, thank you.
This is Playa Chica. Not many out at the moment, but it's, as I say, it's glorious today. Absolutely glorious. Nice little private beach if you want a bit of privacy though. So it's a yellow flag today, which means they can get in the sea. I suppose you've got to have a bit of a warning, but at least the red flags aren't flying. Some nice gardens up here. And that's the Kiosco. Oh, Tady's visible today. So maybe the Colima is disappearing. Usually when the cleaner's here you can hardly see it. See Andana Beach Club in front. Love these faces all over Puerto de la Cruz. You'll find them in most of the parks. What can I see here? Bananas. Alright, let's walk back to the beachfront again. Lots of cacti. Look at the size of these. Crikey. Approaching Playa del Castillo. Beach of the castle. And there is the castle. I was in there the other night for a talk on Agatha Christie by a guy who I don't know whether he owns or manages Sitio Litro, the orchid gardens up in La Paz. He doesn't half know his stuff though. He's actually wrote a book about Tenerife, which is quite interesting. I've read it. This beach is a bit busier. Beach bar. Hello. Just met two lovely people from the view of the channel. Look at the shot of that with the sun shining on it. And then if you scan it across, you'll just see Teddy up there. Yeah, I've just said to him it's about usually this time of year about 22, 23 degrees, but today's exceptional. So I'm on this kind of rock beach, and can you see what some of the people do? They kind of build these rock stands. I know at one stage there was a particular area where it was literally covered in these rock stands, and the council took them down. Bit of a spoil sport, but never mind. So this is a bit of a dirt track that runs between Playa del Castillo and up to the car park that sits behind town centre. So you can actually walk straight into town from here. And I'm just passing the swimming pool construction. I don't know how far away they are from doing this. Let's see if we can see anything. So if I just scan across here, you can see the workmen still working on the kind of a cantilever stand, and obviously the pool's below. But the one thing I have noticed is down here is a diving pool. Now the diving pool, if you look at the diving pool and its perspective, you've got Tady in the background. I mean, the shots from there will be absolutely fantastic. I don't know what the completion date is of that project. It is moving along, but I doubt it, whether maybe late next year, early the year after. So let's walk along this jetty and let you enjoy the views across Punta Brava, because it is quite stunning today. It's beautiful. This is cracked here, look. Crabs there.